Alright, what is up everyone? Here's a quick guide on how to have a transparent background in Canva. If this helps you out, leave a like and comment for the algorithm, but please do not subscribe to me. So the first thing we want to do is just go to background, and we are going to click on this color palette thing, and we are going to go to document colors, and we are going to go to the very top left. Right here, where I'm highlighting, it should say FFF, FFF, and that means you are doing it well. You may be wondering, this isn't transparent, and that's because the transparency doesn't really happen until the file is done. So up at the top right past my logo there, we're going to click share. Let me move my logo out of the way. And when we click share, we are going to go to download. After we click download, it needs to be a PNG. So we want to make sure that's a PNG. And then we are going to click transparent background. There is a crown around it, which means that when you need Canva Premium to do this, but we are just going to click download, and our PNG is downloading. And now when we open it up, it has no background on the image. So that is how to set a transparent background in Canva. I hope that helped out. Do not subscribe to me.